Hey guys, Scott here. Today I'm going to go through everything you need to know before you buy this Vitamix 5200. And I've had this thing for over 5 years, and I'm going to go through a few of the tips I've learned along the way. So let's jump into it. Okay, I want to start with some of the features that I really like about this. And I'll tell you, I use it every single day, and we'll get to that in just a minute. First of all, I like the fact that this is a high power blender, right? It blends everything up great. And I'll tell you, I use the variable speed. You put this on variable and then you just turn this dial right here to turn it up. Once in a while, if I need to finish a blend, I will switch it from variable up to the high setting, but I don't use that nearly as much. But I will say one cool thing with this is if you let this go, you can make soup, hot soup, in minutes. And I've done that a few times, but what I use it for every single day is to make protein shakes. And I'm gonna give you a couple tips on that too. So I really like the fact that it's variable and high powered. Also, if you notice right here, this is metal. It's not metal on all blenders. A lot of them are plastic and they don't last. The other place that you absolutely want to have metal is right here. Just drop the top out. Hey, the top, it will lock and unlock. And what you can do is you can open it and use the dampener to push ice down or push food down, whatever you need to. Obviously, you don't want to put your hand in there. The other thing, it will go on here and actually lock. I had it unlocked. The other thing I like is if I'm blending a lot of ice, it tends to pop up on the lid. So I can press down here and then press these in right here. And now the lid's locked. And to unlock it, I simply pull these out and then I can lift the lid. But even without that, this lid stays on pretty darn good. So you don't need that all the time. The other thing that I really like is it will measure here in both ounces and then also liters and milliliters on the other side. So when you're making something to a recipe, that helps out quite a bit. Also, the blade in here is extremely sharp. And everything that I blend, it goes so quick and works so well. Another thing that I really like about this is I like the fact that I have a long cord when I need it, but I actually keep this on the counter pretty close to the outlet. So this part's really cool. Underneath here, I can wind all of that extra cord. All I need to do is pull up on these clips here. I bring this around, pull up on the clip, bring it around here, pull up on the clip, and I can shorten the cord and it comes right out the back right there. And once I've done that, I don't have all that extra cord just laying on the counter. Now, a quick tip. If you make protein shakes like I do, I make them every single day, probably 6 days, maybe not 7. Add your protein last. Put your ice in, your water, your yogurt, whatever you use. Add your frozen fruits. Blend all of that up first. And then when you're done, I sprinkle in my protein powder. That way it doesn't stick to the side. I found that if I just put the protein powder in and have this turned up too high, a lot of that powder will stick to the side. So one good way to avoid that. Overall, I absolutely love this purchase. I had went through multiple blenders before and I found that I was buying one every 6 months or so. This is plastic. That's important. I had a couple that were glass, and guess what? They got knocked off the counter and broke. This is plastic. It is durable. This is solid rubber. Like I said, I've had this thing for over 5 years and haven't had a single issue. It literally still looks almost brand new, and I definitely recommend this Vitamix.